Hi, in this video, we will learn how to install SQLite on your Linux operating system. In this case, I'm using Ubuntu and we will run a couple of queries. Then at the end, we will see how to uninstall SQLite from your Ubuntu. So let's roll the intro and then get started. If you try to run SQLite3 and hit enter, you will see command SQLite3 not found but can be installed. So let's install this SQLite. The installation is very simple. You have the terminal, the most powerful thing you ever have. Simply write sudo and we are going to use apt script of Linux. Write apt install SQLite3 and hit enter. It will ask you for your admin password or your sudo password. Type your very secure sudo password. And yes, you will see these readings from the display and yeah, in a couple of seconds it will download and install SQLite on your operating system. Perfect. Now to check is SQLite is perfectly installed, you can simply write SQLite3 and hit enter and you will see a SQLite3 shell and you can see the version SQLite version 3.31.1. Let's quit for now. You can type period q, hit enter. Let's see how you can create a database in SQLite. Creating a database in SQLite is very much easy. Type SQLite3 and give whatever the name you want to give to your database. For testing, I will give it test.db. Perfect. Now this created a database test.db successfully. Now let's see how to create tables. To create table in SQLite, type a command create table, and a very great thing in SQLite, it can check this table name already exists in your database or not. So let's keep this if not exist. Now give your table name. Let's create a table called students. Perfect. Now start a small parenthesis and give the first column name. Let it be student ID and it should be an integer, and also I want it as a primary key. All right, give comma. Now second column name may be student name. It should be Vakatari and it should not be null, so give not null. Perfect. Let's keep two columns for now. Close your parenthesis and give semicolon. Hit enter and this will successfully create my table called students. If you want to see the schema, just type this period, the dot, and write schema. If you hit enter, it will show schema for all your tables. Otherwise, what you can do, give a specific name that I want schema for this table only. And yes, you see. Perfect. So my students table is ready. And now let's insert few records in my students table. So to insert record in table, we run a query called insert query. So insert into now table name students. And here in parentheses, I will give set of my column names. So the column name was student ID, comma student name. Now give values. and before values give the keyword values and put semicolon at the end. In parentheses, pass your values. Student ID was integer type, so I give 1, and student name is varchar, so I give ADITYA in quotes. Hit enter. Perfect. This record is successfully inserted. Then let's put few more records like 2. Remember, it's a primary key, so I should not repeat the value. And let's take the name, maybe Mohit. Hit enter. Perfect. Let's insert few more. Ram. All right, 3 records are more than enough for demo, of course. So now you want to see all your inserted records, what your table actually have. So simply run a select query, select star from table name was students, put semicolon and hit enter. And you see I got all my records. So this is a very quick hand-on on SQLite. Let's exit this. Perfect. Now I told you at the end we will uninstall the SQLite. So to uninstall SQLite, it's again very easy. Run sudo apt remove SQLite3 and hit enter. And it will ask, do you want to continue? Press Y and hit enter. Alright, in couple of seconds again, it removed my SQLite from my local system. Okay, let me know if you need a complete playlist on the SQLite. And if you're watching this in the future and I made this playlist, you will find this playlist link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So yeah, give this video a like, do subscribe to Educators, and share with your friends. Thank you.